Hey everybody, Kirk with Heat Transfer Warehouse. Today we're going to talk about some of the most popular custom transfer options out there. You're going to find out which one is the best transfer for you. First up is HTV or heat transfer vinyl transfers. I love these because of the varieties of fabrics and substrates you can go onto. Pretty much any fabrics, whether it be polyester, blends, cotton, or even nylon, there's an option for you. Up to 60 colors and a lot of specialty vinyls. First of all, you have puff, reflective, plain old black, white, pink, you name it. We got the colors for that. Flock, brick, neons, glitters, and if you're looking for that full color touch, we have full color digital HTV. Now we're going to talk about sublimation transfers. The reason I like sublimation is the full color gamut is amazing. You can go on to polyester, you can go on to polyester substrates, which means mugs, cutting boards, pitchers, you name it. So it really expands that whole gamut when you bring in sublimation transfers to your business. Now, if you look at it, we can do bigger or smaller based on the size or need you have. Now, let's talk about DTF or direct-to-film transfers. Direct-to-film transfers are great because you can pretty much upload any artwork that you can vectorize full color onto as little as one transfer, or you can order a full roll gang transfer. What I like about these two is you can press them on pretty much any color garment or polyester, cotton, blends, you name it. Also suitable for hats or bags. They have great durability and they can last up to 50 washes or more. Now let's talk about Subacolor. I call them the premium transfer. They are a direct to film screen print transfer. They use a 7-color process to print on, so the color and the vibrancy is primo. When you get your transfers, they come in a bag, cut and ready to press. Subacolor is great for on polyester, blends, and all fabrics, and also be done on headwear. Now let's talk about Walla One screen print transfers. Most of the time you think about it as a lot of jobs are just one color, and these come in black or white on a 13 by 19 gang sheet. All you have to do is you cut them and you can press them. They press between 325 and 350, so they may press a little bit warmer than you're used to, but they do work on any of your fabrics like polyester, cotton blends, and also you can use these on bags and other various fabrics. Let's talk about rhinestone transfers. I love them for the great way to add bling to any of your garments. They also can be used in combination with HTV or other transfers, so you can kind of blend the overall effect with them. Or just use the transfer as is. And the cool part about rhinestone transfers is you can do one color, which is most common in crystal, or all the way up to 6 colors. And they come to you on a sheet, ready to press. These peel cold, and you can be used on cottons, polyesters, or blended fabrics. We talked about a lot of transfers, and I think having all these options is a great way to add value to your shop. You'll never have to say no. You can get these transfers at www.heattransferwarehouse.com. And do not forget, if you got a big job and you need help, we can also help press your transfers to your garments for you and send them directly to your customer blind. Let me know in the comments what your favorite transfer you saw today, and I will see you at the heat press.